So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Solana inside of your tax-free savings account or your TFSA here on Wealthsimple. And if you want to sign up for a Wealthsimple account if you haven't already, go ahead and use this referral link right here on the screen. It's also down below in the description. By using this link, I get some money, you get some free money, and you also get entered to win potentially in a $1 million home. So that's really cool. But once you're on the home screen, go to the bottom, press on the magnifying glass, then go to the top and press on search. While you're here, I want you to search up ticker symbol SOLQ and then go ahead and press on this. Now, this is a Solana staking ETF. So once you're here, go to the bottom left, press on select an account and make sure your tax-free savings account is selected, and then go to the bottom right and press on buy. On this page, you can type the amount of shares you want to buy. So for example, 2 shares is this much. If you want to do a fractional buy, $5 is this much. If you want to proceed and all looks good, press on review. Now on this page, you can review the order, and if all looks good to you, make sure that once again your account selected is your tax-free savings account. Go to the bottom, press on queue order or press on buy, and finalize the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can buy Solana inside of your TFSA or your tax-free savings account on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.